Hello, in front of me I've got Xbox Series X. In this video I'll show you how to plug headphones to your console. In the beginning, notice this 3.5mm headphones jack on your controller and plug your headphones in. Now go to Settings, General, Volume and Audio Output, go to Additional Options and now select Mute Speaker Audio when headset attached. Now audio will come only from headphones. You can see that headphones are connected by icon in the right top corner. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.